Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes with Carolina Cooker, and today we're going to be doing one of my favorite fall dishes is venison chili. So we're cooking that today in the Carolina Cooker 14-quart stew pot and burner, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing rolling. So we're going to start off with our canola oil. Put that right there in the bottom. And what I like to do is I'll start off with my onions first. And then while those are cooking, we're going to go ahead and add our venison. So I'm going to go ahead and add our Carolina Cooker Cajun seasoning now. I'm going to add our chili powder. Then we're going to take our tomato paste. So now, since our meat is pretty much cooked all the way through, we're just going to go ahead and start pouring stuff into it. And the first thing I do is put in the garlic. All right, then we're just going to start throwing all our peppers. We got red pepper, green pepper. Can't go chili without jalapeno pepper. Parsley, diced tomatoes, pinto beans, kidney beans, tomato sauce. And we're gonna throw in a couple bay leaves here. Gonna give it a quick stir. And then lastly, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of chicken stock. Oh man, look at that, it looks awesome. Smells great too. Remember, wild game does not need to be intimidating. It just needs to be prepared properly to make delicious meals at home. We'll see you next time.